The greatest secret in getting any woman to fall in love with you is making her think about you even when you are not around her. Women slowly fall in love with you when they start thinking about you. Wondering how to make her think about you constantly? Well, today in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly that. So, let's get started. Number 1. Be less predictable. Most of you guys might be texting girls, especially your crush, on a daily basis. Might be even multiple times a day or at night at the same time. Is that right? This is what is the biggest mistake you are doing. Your crush knows at what time you are going to text her on daily basis. So what's the suspense here? You are completely predictable. Let me tell you what I would do in such situation, as my crush would get used to this behavior of mine in the first 4 or 5 days after we met each other. On the 6th day, I would not text her. She will be waiting for my text messages like every day. But on the 6th day, she will be confused of why I still didn't text her. She will be totally looking over the social media of what I am up to. This is what is called being less predictable. And this is what makes her think about you constantly. Number 2. Be genuine in your compliments. Most men think a way to women's heart is through sweet words and compliments. This is what movies show us. But in reality, this is just partially right. The actual problem with such compliments over a woman's beauty is going to get you nothing very deep into her heart. These compliments work, but not so well. There needs to be an occasion, timing, and meaning behind each and every meaningful compliment you give her. Almost 90% of men think compliments are just something related to a woman's beauty. But that is where most guys look pretty common, just like other guys. Women come across such men every day. A pretty woman who's got a huge following comes across plenty of men praising her beauty once in a while. In order for you to be different, unique, and special to her, you've got to do this. Praise her for her true self. Didn't get me? Then listen. If it's her first time giving a presentation, after she's done with it, compliment her on how she handled the people, showing her confidence, even it being her first time. Compliment her for taking a stand and not leaving her friend when she's having a bad time. Compliment her for her inner feelings and attitude rather than just her looks. Trust me guys, this is gonna penetrate deep into her heart and reminds her about you. This is what most women genuinely expect from a guy, from a real man. Number 3. Using text messages. Wait, what? Text messages? Yes, text messages can make her think about you. It is a good way to make her remind something about you as well. Let me explain how. If you feel the vibe that she is slowly starting to have some feelings for you, then do this. Ask her to do some favor for you, like forwarding an assignment copy after she reaches home, or some office project details that she knows. This simple trick lets her slowly increase the amount of time you will be on her mind. Even if she's busy with something, you can have a genuine reason to text her back and pull the conversation from there. While this is one way to do, there's another better way. Send her a meme, something related to both of you. This is how you can make her smile over text messages. Let her rethink that moment with you in it. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, there's another way you can give her butterflies over texts. Just send her a text. I'm pretty sure you must be thinking about me right now. Rather than texting, what are you doing? Show some difference, bro. Let her know you are unique. Obviously, if you do this, you will be unique. Hope you will implement these tips to make your crush obsessed with you. So that's it for today's video guys. With that being said, thank you for watching.